Hello friends, in this particular video we will see what is the judiciary and the court system in the Tunisia. Constitutional Court. There are 12 judges. The term of the judge would be 9 years. Now how these judges are selected? 4 judges would be appointed by the President of the Republic of Tunisia. 4 judges would be appointed by the Assembly of the Representatives of the People. 4 judges would be appointed by Supreme Judicial Council. 3/4 of the judges should be legal experts. Now what this constitutional court does? This court would decide on the constitutionality of laws with the constitution. This court decides on treaties presented to it by the President of the Republic before the draft law approving them is signed. This court decides on the laws referred to it by courts as a result of a request filed by a court in the case of the invocation of a claim of unconstitutionality by one of the parties in litigation. This court decides on rules of procedures of the Assembly of the Representatives of People. Then we have Supreme Judicial Council. Now what is council, intention of this council? This council ensures the sound functioning of the justice system and respect for its independence. This council is composed of 4 bodies. The term of member is 6 years. Now one member is from Judicial Council, one member is from Administrative Judicial Council, one member is from the Financial Judicial Council, and one member from the General Assembly of the 3 judicial councils. Now what does this particular council does? This council prepares an annual report on the overall functioning of the justice delivery system and submit it in the month of July to the President of Republic, the Speaker of the Assembly of Representatives of People, and Head of Government. This council gives proposal for the appointment of judges, and judges are nominated by the presidential decree. The council is involved in recommending the appointment of senior judges. Then we have civil judiciary. First instance tribunals, district courts, property courts, appellate courts, court of cassation. Then we have administrative judiciary. Administrative courts of first instance, administrative courts of appeal, Supreme Administrative Court. Then there is a financial judiciary which has court of audit. So friend, this is something, the judiciary and the courts which are there in Tunisia. In our next video, we will see what are the other features which are there in the constitution of Tunisia. Thank you.